All right, so here we go. It is actually light outside. Thank God. I'm gonna leave tomorrow. I was gonna try to leave today, but there's no way because I just literally got the brakes going. So I literally just got the brakes going. The thing's been running for a couple days now. The tank's in. She should start right up. All right, so she runs. The choke's not on, so that's why it's running a little rough. It'll smooth it out once it warms up. Oh, I gave it some gas. I'm gonna try to like drive and GoPro at the same time, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, crap. Let's see. Alright, see what we got. Hopefully the brakes are working. I'm actually going to drive it. This is actually, I took it for a quick drive in the dark last night. I think I mentioned it on my last update. So this is my actual first real test drive. I get to see if the brakes are working and actually see what this thing's doing while I drive it with one hand because I got the GoPro. So I might be happy to do some crazy shifting. The fan shroud hits now and then because of the bent frame, which we gotta still throw a weld on. So all the noise might just go away. So we'll see what happens. We do have a little bit of brakes, so still in reverse. All right, let's see what we got. Thank my friend Steve for giving me a quick little pointer to avoid some loop in Washington DC, which I will be avoiding because I trust Steve with like giving me the proper directions and doing what to do. So let's see, a quick nod. Oh, and Michael Hanley might be being my co-pilot, which should be interesting. So we don't have no speedometer. At least I can't tell yet. Maybe I need to go faster. We'll see. So what my plan is, the other reason I gotta leave tomorrow is because my phone doesn't work because I dropped it working on this thing yesterday. So I gotta try to get that straightened out. I gotta get insurance on this thing, and then I gotta drive it dirty. I'm not even gonna register. I'm just gonna write myself a bill of sale. The steering feels pretty good. I don't know. I don't know how fast I'm going. I'm going exactly 0 miles an hour. So I'm gonna booger up the frame quickly now and try to get some lights on this thing. And maybe I'll even try to post this video right now just so Michael Hanley can see it. I'll turn on my awesome windshield wiper. That's my awesome windshield wiper, so hopefully it's supposed to rain. So that's the only windshield wiper. So hopefully there's not a lot of rain. The brakes feel okay. I'll make sure I stay far off any cars in front of me. And I'm gonna hook up an oil pressure gauge and a temperature gauge and an oil pressure gauge. So that way I don't overheat. And then and that's it. I think we're just gonna go for it. In fact, if I had insurance on this thing now on a phone, I think I would actually try to go tonight. Oh, I gotta fix the hole in the floor because man, it's hot in here already. I'm gonna take the doors off, put them in the back, and keep them so I have them. Means I can turn this off. All right. Hopefully I don't have to do no quick stopping right yet. We'll get a little look at the neighborhood. I don't know what that is. There's some stuff over there. I think this thing might actually make it. Hopefully I'm not overheating. I checked the radiator fluid, it was full. There wasn't really a lot of pressure in the radiator. I would have liked it to, it feels like I got a small leak, which I'm not even gonna bother trying to fix. That's another reason why I didn't bring the plow, is because this thing's probably gonna run low on fluid and I'll have to keep going over to put antifreeze in. Don't mind me, I'm driving with one hand because of the GoPro. Oop. The clutch is obviously not fully engaging, but if I grind some teeth on the tranny, I'm not that worried about it if I round some of the edges off. My trick is going to be to get this thing in third gear and go. And that's it. We're planning to leave during a day when there's more traffic, so kind of where you don't see the forest for the trees or whatever. Yeah, so anyways, we'll be like a zebra in a herd, where maybe like we'll get by a lot of it because no one will really like notice. Yeah, hi, yeah, thanks pal. But anyway, so my neighbor's not happy because probably I have no brake lights, no blinkers yet. We're not gonna put brake lights on. I'm just gonna put some wire in, some tail lights, and with the switch, and I'll flick the switch when I need my brake lights to go on. I'm sure people are gonna be pissed off behind me on the highway, but damn, this thing runs really freaking good. I can say friggin' because this is gonna be my great friggin' Jeep adventure. This thing would make a heck of a plow truck for someone, that's for sure, because it runs really well. And it actually has some sort of brakes. I probably need to bleed the front. I'm gonna need help on that. And then there's no gas gauge, obviously, because we got a tank in the back, so I gotta make some sort of way to keep a track of what we got for gas. I don't know what this thing gets per gallon. I would have really liked to have been able to leave today, but it just didn't work out like that. But now you guys get to see where all the Jeep magic happens, I guess. Well, you see it anyways on the videos, but from the front of the shop, you really don't see anything. There's like this bat road in here. We put a block in front of that at night so we don't get no one coming back here. I'm gonna see if I can, yeah, so we're gonna have to weld that frame, obviously. That didn't feel good. Or maybe take the fan shroud off. I'm not sure yet. Of course, people are like still coming in my garage now to get gas late at night, even though I'm trying to get this effing thing done. So that's my kid, actually, by the way. That was my first successful road trip in my CJ5, which everyone knows I hate 5s because they're just too damn short. And that's it.